Hey everyone, John Bond here from Storm Fitness Academy, and I just want to talk to you about the importance of using social media for growing your business, growing your brand, and attracting customers or leads. I mean, we call them leads. I know it's a bit of an ugly term to describe your customers, but initially, when they get in contact, they're a prospect or a lead, we call them. I'm by no means, or any stretch of the imagination, an expert in social media. I have to get a lot of help and advice on social media because I'm not an expert at it. I don't use it very much personally myself from a personal point of view, but it's great for from a business point of view. So, obviously your key ones, you've got your YouTube, you've got your Instagram, you've got Pinterest, you've got Facebook, you've got Twitter, and you've even got LinkedIn. There are others, they're the main ones that we use, and my advice to you is not to keep talking about yourself on social media, but more give away useful and helpful advice. So things like anything that people might struggle with. So if you found out a way that motivates you to get out of bed in the morning and get down the gym and start training, tell people about it. Give them that helpful advice. So just think about all the stuff that you're putting online, trying to enrich people's lives and help them. And one of our core values at Storm Fitness Academy is give, and we're quite conscious of that, and we talk about it in team meetings, and we review all our core values and just make sure that we are living and breathing them, and it's not just written down. And the give one is we think about what can we do, how can we give more, and that's just giving away free articles, blog posts, free advice, free consultations, free careers chats. Just helping people. So if you guys write any comments from this video, someone's going to get back to you. Probably me, might not be me, but might be one of the other members of the team. But we're here to help, and that's the point. So try and use social media as a way of helping others. And if people like what they're reading and hearing and seeing, and they want more, they can ask for more. If they want to purchase more, then they'll ask for that too. So I would use social media as a way to connect and give, really. That's your main things there. One of our other core values is move. Really important to all of us. We all understand the importance of movement, not just from a physical health point of view, but from a psychological health point of view. I cannot tell you, I'm so interested in side of things, the psychological benefits to movement. And it's I know from my own personal experience, if I've had a lot of things get on top of me in the past and I've put my exercise program or training to the back burner, brushed under the carpet a bit, my mental health has suffered as a result of it. I've got quite sad in the past, and I'm thinking, I've got to be sad about it. My life's great, and then I realise it's because I'm not moving. I wasn't even aware of it until I started tracking my movement with a fitness tracker, and I was just like, "What? Things are really great in my life. Why am I not happier?" And I started tracking my fitness and realised, God, I've been neglecting my own training. I'm not practicing what I'm preaching. So, just make sure that you also move plenty, and model that. So I'm not suggesting you constantly post videos of your own training and how great your training's going, but put some videos online of you carrying out certain exercises with a bit of instructional advice that goes with it. So you're modelling movement, you're giving away free advice. I guess that's it really. Makes it sound quite simple, but basically have a strategy behind what you're doing. Don't feel like you just have to keep chucking more and more stuff online to satisfy your followers, because if you're chucking a load of nonsense on there, you're going to lose followers and not going to be interested anymore. Just make sure it has value, and if you're ever in any doubt as to whether what you're going to put on there is of value, talk to your customers, talk to one of your PT clients and say, do you think this is any good? make sure it's somebody that gives you an honest answer and doesn't just tell you what you want to hear.